In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chat in Perplexity AI. If you're cleaning up old conversations or just want a tidier workspace, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a chat quickly and confidently. We'll keep it simple, cover both the website and the app experience, and make sure you know what to expect at each stage. First, open Perplexity AI. You can do this in your web browser by going to the official Perplexity AI website or by launching the Perplexity AI app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account before you continue, since chats are tied to the account you're using. If you have multiple profiles, take a second to confirm you're in the right one to avoid deleting the wrong conversation. Next, look over to the sidebar. This is where your chat history appears as a list of your recent conversations. Scroll to find the chat you want to remove. If you've renamed your chats, those titles can help you pick the right one at a glance. Take a brief moment here to double check you've selected the intended conversation. By the way, if you still need the app or you prefer using the website, I've placed the download link for the app and the official website link right at the top of the description, so you can access Perplexity AI quickly and safely. Now, open the chat options. To do that, click or tap the three dots, the vertical menu icon, next to the chat you've chosen. This opens a small menu of actions specific to that conversation. From that menu, select Delete. When the confirmation prompt appears, read it carefully, then confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that removing a chat is typically permanent, so only proceed if you're sure you no longer need the content. If there's anything you might want later, consider reviewing it one last time before confirming. Once you confirm, verify that the chat has been removed. You should see that conversation disappear from your sidebar. If it's still visible, give it a second to refresh, or briefly navigate away and back to your chat list. If you have more chats to clear, just repeat the same process for each one. Locate it in the sidebar, open the options with the three dots, choose Delete, and confirm. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to open Perplexity AI, find your chat history, access the chat options, delete a chat, and confirm it's gone. Thanks for watching.